to show us today one way I air dry my hair. I like my freshly shampooed and conditioned hair to be as light and clean feeling as possible because I'm going to use the rest of the week to add style to my hair. I only wash my hair once a week. The product I'm going to use today is this new thing I'm trying, which I love so much. It's by Ouai Hair Care, and it is rose hair and body oil. So you can put it on your hair and you can put it on your body, and it's oil. It's super don't waste it. It's super lightweight and it feels and smells so good. When I've been using this, first of all, I'm just like, I really love it. It is super thin. Actually, the first time I used this, I used way too much. I used 5 pumps the first time I used it. And it is recommended to use 1 to 3 drops in your wet hair. So first time I used it, learned that lesson, way too greasy, don't use 5 drops. It's easy to though because it is silicone free, so it is a really lightweight oil. Whoa. It's almost like water. So yeah, I just pumped 2 pumps of my rose hair and body oil into my hand, and it says 1 to 3, so I'm just gonna do 1 more. I work my oil through my hair, and then I get any excess and I rub it on my body because it's for your hair and your body. That was creepy. For real though, I've been putting it on my elbows and on my knuckles because I wash my hands a lot, and it really is helping to moisturize everything. Thanks, Ouai. Yes, Ouai. Really amazing. It is what I used in my air dried hair today, or I mean my diffused air dried hair today. This Ouai rose hair and body oil. Really love this product. It is super lightweight. Be careful though because you can go overboard. It feels nice and light and fresh. It smells so good. It feels good on my hands, it feels good on my arms and my elbows. As I was reading this little inside tip here, as you peel back the label, pro tip, Jen Atkin, holla at you girl, nutrient-rich oil. It's a deep treatment for your cuticles and dry patches. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put it on my nails.